Welcome to AKN Sprint Education. Continuation to exercise 14.1, 7th question. To find out the concentration of SO2 in air in parts per million, that is ppm. The data was collected for 30 localities in a certain city and is presented below. Concentration of SO2 in ppm parts per million 0.00 to 0.04 and whose frequency is 4, 0.04 to 0.08 frequency 9, 0.08 to 0.12 frequency is 9, 0.12 to 0.16 frequency is 2, 0.16 to 0.20 frequency is 4 and 0.20 to 0.24 frequency is 2. As we know that to find the mean concentration of SO2 in the air, we have to find out mean. So for that we have to find out class mark. How to find class mark? Class mark nothing but lower limit plus upper limit by 2. I mean we need to find the mid value of 0.0 to 0.04, of course, which is 0.02. In between 0.00 to 0.04, whose mid value how much? 0.02. Between 0.04 to 0.08, mid value is 0.06. 0.08 to 0.12, mid value is 0.10. And here whose mid value is 0.14 and here 0.18 and here mid value is 0.22 children. Yes, between 0.20 0.24, whose middle value of course 0.22. Here mid value is 0.18, here 0.14, here 0.10, here 0.06, here 0.02. Okay, as here we are using direct method only because here xi values and whose frequency is so small, so directly we can go with our direct method. So what is the formula to find the mean by using direct method? That is sigma fi xi by sigma fi. So let us find fi xi. So 4 into 0.02, so that is 0.24 ja 8, 40 ja 0, 40 ja 0. So 4 into 0.02, 0.08. 9 into 0.06, that is equal to 0.54. 9 into 0.10, 0.90. 2 into 0.14, that is 14 2s are 28. 4 into 18, that is equal to 0.72. 2 into 0.22, that is equal to 0.44. Now let us add 8 plus 4 12, 20, 22 plus 4 26, 7 plus 9 10 16 18, 25 plus 4 29. Here 2, of course that is 2.96. 2.96. And let us find out sigma fi value. 13, 22, 24, 28 and 30. Sigma fi value is 30. So sigma fi xi value is 2.96 divided by 30. As 2 table, 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja 8, 1 6, 2 8 ja and 2 15 ja. So that is 1.48 divided by 15, right? So actually 1.48, 15 0 ja 0, 1, take 4 again 0, 15 0 ja 0, 8, 59 ja 135, 8 minus 5 3, 4 minus 3 1, point is there 0, 15 8 ja 120, 10 point is there 0, 15 6 ja 90, again 10, I mean it is continuous process, that is equal to 0.0986 and so on. So simply which is similar to 0.099 ppm, that is parts per million. So this is our seventh question. The mean concentration of SO2 in the air is 0.099 parts per million. Now coming to eighth question. A class teacher has the following attendance record of 40 students of a class for the whole term. Find the mean number of days a student was present out of 56 days in the term. So number of days, I mean 35 to 38 days. Number of students 1, 38 to 41 3, 41 to 44 4, 44 to 47 again 4, 47 to 50 7, 50 to 53 10, and 53 to 56 number of students are 11. Okay, actually we have to find out the mean number of days a student was present. We have to find mean. So let us find class mark. So lower limit plus upper limit by 2, I mean lower limit is 35 and upper limit is 38 by 2, 8 plus 5 13, 73 by 2, 2 3 is 6, 1 3, 2 6 is 12, 1 0, I mean 36.5. Here it is 36.5. If you observe here, difference between two successive class intervals is 3. So let us add 36.5 plus 3, 39.5, 39.5 plus 3, 42.5, 42.5 plus 3, 45.5, 45.5 plus 3, 48.5, 48.5 plus 3, 51.5, 51.5 plus 3, 54.5. So now we found mid values. Then we have to find out DI. So what do you mean by DI? DI in the sense deviation. The formula of deviation DI equal to xi minus a. Totally we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 observation. So mid value is what? 45.5. So a equal to 45.5. Okay. So DI is 36.5 minus 45.5. From 45.5 subtract 36.5, 0, 15 minus 6, 9. So that is minus 9. Of course difference between two successive class intervals is 3. Here also difference will be 3. Minus 6, minus 3, 0, 3, 6, 9. Okay. Let us find Fi Di. 1 into minus 9, minus 9, 3 into minus 6, 3 6 is 18, 4 into minus 3, 4 3 is 12, 4 into 0, 0, 7 into 3, 7 3 is 21, 10 into 6, 10 6 is 60, 11 into 9, 11 9 is 99. So first let us add all negative values. 18 plus 12, 30, 30 plus 9, 39. This is minus 39. This is 100, 120, 180. So we have to add sigma Fi, right? That is the reason I am adding. So from 180 you subtract 39. 10 minus 9, 1. 7 minus 3, 4. That is 141. Sigma Fi Di value is 141. And what about sigma Fi? 4, 8, 12, 19, 29, 30 plus 10, 40. Sigma Fi value 40. Right? So what is the formula to find the mean by using step deviation method? I mean assumed mean method. X bar equal to A plus sigma Fi Di by sigma Fi. So what is the value of A, children? A value is 45.5, right? This is our A value. And plus sigma Fi di. Sigma Fi di value is 141 plus 141 divided by sigma Fi value 40, children. So let us divide 141 divided by 40. 43 is a 120, 21, 0, 45 is a 200, 1, 0, 42 is a 80, 2, 0, 45 is a 200, right? So 45.5 plus 3.525. So 3.525 plus 45.5, right? 5, 2, 10, 9. So that is equal to 49.025. So what is the mean? Mean equal to 49.025. They are asking to find the mean number of days. So the mean number of days is how much? 49.0.25. So nearly we can say that 49 days, right? So this is our 8th question answer. Coming to 9th question, the following table gives the literacy rate in percentage of 35 cities. Find the mean literacy rate. So literacy rate in percentage 45 to 55, number of cities 3, 55 to 65 10, 65 to 75 11, 75 to 85 8, and 85 to 95 3. So the first thing is we have to find the mid value. So what is the mid value of 45 to 55? So lower limit is 45, upper limit is 55, 45 plus 55, that is 100, 100 by 2, 50. As the difference between two successive class intervals is 10, so here also difference will be 10, 60, 70, 80, 90. So what is A here? One among xi we need to consider as A. So our A value is 80 here. So let us find di. Di means xi minus A, right? So 50 minus 70 minus 20 minus 10, 0, 80 minus 70 10, 90 minus 70 20. Okay, as if you see all di values are multiples of 10. So if we divide, if you want to find out ui, the formula of ui is xi minus A by h, right? H is here 10, minus 20 by 10, minus 2, minus 10 by 10, minus 1. This is 0, 1, 2. Or else opposite to 0, 0. When you go up, minus 1, minus 2. When you come down, 1, 2. Now fi ui, 3 into minus 2, minus 6, 10 into minus 1, minus 10, 11 into 0, 0, 8 into 1, 8, 3 into 2, 6. So we have to find out sigma fi ui, minus 6 plus 10, minus 16, 8 plus 6, 14, minus 16 plus 4, that is minus 2, right? So sigma fi ui value we got minus 2. And what is sigma fi? 13, 14, 24, 32 plus 3, 35. So sigma fi value 35. So here we are using step deviation method. What is the formula? X bar is equal to A plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. A equal to 70 plus sigma fi ui value minus 2, sigma fi value 35 into 10. 5 2s are 5 7s are 70 plus into minus minus 2 2s are 4 by 7. 4 divided by 7, 0.75 is 35, 35, 7 7 is 49. So that is 0.70 minus 0.57. So of course you will get 69 point. So 70 minus 0.57, 10 minus 7 3, 9 minus 5 4. So which is equal to 69.43. So what is the mean? Mean equal to 69.43. So this is our 9th question. So with this we completed our exercise number 14.1 completely. Thank you children.